Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add different items to following in Vinted in 2025. If you want to follow a certain item, that will let you, for example, buy it later or get notified when that item gets sold or get notified when the price drops. You can simply find the item that you want to follow, then click on the heart icon. Now it is in your followed items. I'll show you where it is. Also, you can click on that heart icon from the main page, just clicking right here. Now, if you go to your profile, then find favorite items, you'll see them here. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.